Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 10 English version. This is Md.Masimurzaman, senior teacher, mathematics. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. I hope you are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, in our last maths class, we discussed on chapter 4, and today I would like to discuss on chapter 5. From this chapter, earlier we solved all the questions. Just today, I want to discuss some important creative questions. Dear students, let us start from chapter 5 and exercise 5.2. Number 29. Here, the question is, sum of the digits of a number consisting of two digits is 7. If the place of the digit are interchanged, the number so found is 9 more than the given number. Number 1, write down the number and the number obtained by interchanging their place in terms of the variable x. Dear students, let the digit in unit place be x, and sum of two digits is 7. Therefore, the digit in tens place it will be 7 minus x, and the number is equal to digit in unit place x plus 10 into digit in tens place. So how we get it? Suppose you have a number 2345. Then easily you can express a digit and 1 unit place, that one is 5. Plus, digit in tens place is 4. That's why 10 into 4. Plus, digit in 100 place is 3. So, 100 into digit in 100 place, 3. Digit in 1000 place, that one is 2. So, you can write 1000 into 2. So, altogether after calculating, you must get 2345. That's why, if you have simply 45, then you can write in this way. 45 digit in unit place plus 10 into digit in tens place, that is 4. 4 into 10, this is 40 plus 5, 45. In the same way, digit in unit place is x, this is x, plus digit in tens place is 7 minus x. That's why 10 into 7 minus x. And after simplifying, you get x plus 10 into 7. 70 minus 10 into x minus 10x. By subtracting x and minus 10x, you get 70 minus 9x. Again, if we interchange the digit, then if we interchange the digit, x was in unit place, now x will be in tens place, that's why 10x plus 7 minus x, it was in tens place, now it will be in ones place, that's why 7 minus x. By simplifying, get 9x plus 7. So 70 minus 9x, this is the given number, and 9x plus 7, this is the new number. This new number is 9 more than the given number. So, according to the question, 9x plus 7 equal to new number is given number plus 9. This is the required equation. Therefore, the required equation 9x plus 7 equal to 17 minus 9x plus 3. Dear students, in number B, we have to calculate the number. So, to find the number, we need the digit in unit place, we need the digit in tens place. Even if we can calculate the value of x and putting the value of x here, then directly we can find the number. So, from the whole thing, after writing this thing and from this equation after solving, we can get the value of x. That's why for B, we should not write from A we get. It is better to mention everything because we need digit in tens place, we need the digit in unit place, even we need the number also. So it is better to mention everything. So according to the question, then you solve it. 9x plus 9x equal to 70 plus 9 minus 7. 9x plus 9x, it will be 18x equal to, this is 72. Or x equal to 72 by 18, therefore x equal to 4. So putting the value of x, we get therefore the number equal to this is 70 minus 9x, x is 4. That's why 70 minus 36, after subtracting, we get 34. Answer 34. Our next number and last number for today, number 29C. If the digit of the original number indicate the length and breadth of a rectangular region in centimeter, find the length of its diagonal. Assuming the diagonal, find the side, or assuming the length, assuming the diagonal as the side of a square, find the length of the diagonal of the square. That means from B we can take the number 34 . 29C. From B we get the number equal to 34. According to the question, from this number, the larger diagonal is, larger digit is length and a smaller digit is the breadth of a rectangle. That's why length of the rectangle equal to 4 centimeter. Breadth of the B equal to 3 centimeter. Therefore, length of diagonal of the rectangle, comma, x equal to root over a square plus b square equal to root over 4 square plus 5 square. This is in centimeters. 16 plus 25 centimeter. Sorry, B is the 3 here. So 16 plus 9 and this is 25 centimeter equal to 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter is the length of diagonal of the rectangle. Now, since length of the square equal to length of the diagonal of the square of the square equal to length of the diagonal of the rectangle. Here length of diagonal of the rectangle is 5. So according to the question, length of the diagonal you write here length of the each side of the square equal to length of the diagonal of the rectangle. Dear students, length of each side of the new square is equal to length of the diagonal of the rectangle. From here we get length of diagonal of the rectangle is 5. That's why you can say therefore length of each side of the square, comma, x equal to 5 centimeter. Now, the length of diagonal of the square equal to 2. This is root over 2x. How we get it? Suppose you have pi square. Length of each side is x. So its diagonal is d. So by Pythagoras you can say d square equal to x square plus x square equal to twice x square. That's why diagonal d equal to root over 2 x square equal to root over twice x. Using this formula directly, I write here the length of diagonal of the square root over 2x. That means root over 2 into 5 centimeter equal to 5 root 2 centimeter. Actually, in this question, we have to find length of the diagonal of the rectangle and length of diagonal of the square. That's why two answers is here. First answer is 5 centimeter and second answer is 5 root 2 centimeter. Dear students, this is all for today. Actually, you finished most of the maths earlier. This is the time for you to practice again and again. So, I will request you to practice more and more at the home. I told you to start a fresh note for the maths. I hope you start it and sincerely you are doing that one. So, here you have done also chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 4. Today, I am giving you chapter 5. HW, fresh note, chapter 5. Dear students, thanks to all of you to stay with me. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.